Okay, please state your name and your question, please.
Nancy Getman with Christian Coalition of Bear County, and the question is, for you've already answered a couple of them. I said, my question was, who is going to be the delegates? And I guess is it going to be all the delegates, or how much percentage do you need of the?
That's the craziness check, because if something crazy comes out, all it takes is one house, and so we got to have a big political momentum. Now the good news is this: I've told this plan to probably close now to 300 or 400 state legislators. I need a grand total of 1,500 state legislators to make this pass. 1,500, that's all. And so I've told about a fifth of the total audience I need this plan. And every single one of them I've told this to has said, if you can actually deliver 100 constituent contacts from 75% of the districts, the plan will succeed. Because what they're effectively telling me is that if enough people call enough legislators and ask them to crawl up a persimmon tree and say, I want to hold your hand in French, they'll do it. And so the people can speak up. And this is really good because we're just asking them to do what's right. We're not asking them to do something crazy or stupid or give us money. We're asking them to do what's right and transfer power from Washington, D.C. back to themselves. So it's a very effective thing to be asking them. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Michael.
Yep.